Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So in this video, I am going to show you a technique which will help you to gain mastery over drawing support and resistance levels. So this video is for everyone who is into investment and trading journey. I will give you 5 example plus one bonus example, okay? And I will show you how you can easily spot support and resistance levels, or in other words demand and supply zones, so that you can make your entries in a fresh stock or add additional units to your existing stock portfolio at the right level and not randomly here and there. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and also mention in the comment section if you found value in this video. Then I will make a further video how you can use this technique for intraday and even shorter time frame uh, trading, like swing trading, intraday trading and positional trading as well. So let's start the video. Okay, so our first example is Reliance Industries. I will start with monthly time frame. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do is, first of all we have to see where the price, going after a certain level, started showing some level of resistance, or you can say red candles or any form of resistance. So we have to hover our mouse here, our crosshair like this, and we can clearly see that this level is acting as a resistance level. Okay, let me first draw a line here like this. Okay, now I will explain you why I think this is an valid level, but before that let me draw the other areas as well first. So I can clearly see one more level here, and then when I place my mouse here, or this is a better one here. First I'm drawing, then I will explain. Okay, let's take the example of these three. So first of all, let me remind you that this is monthly time frame. So first of all, we can see the price going up here and now coming down. So this is obviously a potential level of resistance, and we can easily draw one line. Okay, later on we'll verify if it is at the perfect place or it needs some modification. And as soon as we draw it, we can clearly see some reaction, price reaction at this that level only. Okay, you can see here the price going up and then sharply coming down without able to break this level. So obviously it proves that it is actually a significant level of resistance, and again it was showing resistance here, then finally a breakout. Okay, and you can see the price going up here and now coming down, so making this as well another level of resistance. Okay, and then later on it turned into support and the price kept going up from here. So what you can do is always you keep your eye on the higher time frame like monthly, and you see where it is showing the first sign of resistance. Okay, the price will go up and then like here price will grow and then come down, then you can understand that this could be a potential level of resistance. So you draw your line as soon as this forms. Later on you have to verify if it is actually resistance or not. Okay, when we see the future price action. Right, now let's go to the other trend, other line here. So first of all, we can see that the price went to this level, okay, and then showed resistance. So first we will draw a line here, okay, and then see where is it going to touch that level again or not. But we are seeing that when it comes to this level, closer to that level, again it is not able to break this level. So we can clearly accept the fact that there is another level of resistance right under it. This is 598, this is 731. Okay, because you can clearly see the multiple times the price failed to break that level. Okay, and again you can see the price touching that level and coming down. Okay, so this clearly proves that this is a significant level of resistance. Okay, and not just a simple resistance. And if you observe closely, as soon as it touched again, it came back again, and finally this candle breaks that level of resistance, and you can see the price kept going up from there. And if you notice closely, this gap, this year, this is 2007 and this was 2017, so almost 10 years. So Reliance Industries was in sideways for 10 years after, from 2007 to 2017. After that it gave a breakout. So the skill of drawing support and resistance level is very important in order to make entries at the right time. else you will get blocked in a stock for 10 years with 0% return or even negative return. So that is not what anyone wants. Okay, so this was Reliance Industries. Okay, so let me first tell you one more thing about drawing support resistance levels. So you can, what you can do is, whenever you are drawing a line, just make it little bit thick. Okay, so you open, you can see here, let me bring it here. Okay, I'm using this one. Okay, or in there is another way to draw it. You can make it as zones. Let's say this one I will draw a zone like this. Okay, but it makes the chart little bit clumsy because support and resistance levels are not a single price or a single point of single area. Okay, it is a zone. Okay, the price will keep fluctuating within that range. Like here you can see, in the monthly level the price is going up and down within that area or zone. And if you go to lower time frames like weekly and monthly, you can see the candlestick closing above this area within this range. Okay, so it will make you confusing if you just draw one line and expect the price to just touch that line and come down or go up. Okay, but that does not happen. Okay, so it is a zone, or in other words an area. So you have to keep in mind that thing, and you can either draw this huge area kind of thing, or a line with thickness, higher thickness. Okay, like this one I'm drawing. Okay, whichever one you can choose. Okay, so this was our first example, Reliance Industries. Okay, now what I will do is, I will go to our second stock, that will be ITC. Okay, this is ITC in monthly time frame. So first of all, I can clearly see that as soon as it was listed here in 1995, the price kept going down. Okay, so obviously I will draw one a level of resistance here only. Sorry, yeah, resistance here only. Okay, and as soon as you can, it was broken later, it kept going up. Okay, and now I can see one second level of resistance here. As soon as I see this one, I will draw the line of resistance and see is if it's a valid one or it needs modification. So I can see that it is a valid one. Okay, but we can mark it as a zone because you can see the wicks coming out of that level. Okay, and the price going up and going from down from there, and then once it was broken finally, that resistance turned into support and it kept going up. Okay, now where is the next level of support resistance? I can clearly see it is here only. Okay, this is the resistance and this is easily the level of support. Okay, and as we all know that support will turn into resistance and resistance will turn into support. Okay, okay, and then again this was broken by this candle and the price kept going up. So always start with the higher time frame like monthly, and this is mainly for investment with 3+ years of target. Okay, minimum you have to hold for 3 years. This is for investment, and for trading you can use the same technique, just mark in the monthly and go to the weekly time frame. That also I will show you how to do it. Okay, no problem. So again I can clearly see some wicks on the on the downside. So what I can do is draw one level of support here, and you can see how nicely it is staying valid for a long time. Okay, now it turned into a resistance here, then it was broken. Okay, and it went up, and now you can finally see this big rally, very big rally. This is the recent candlesticks, the recent price action of ITC. Okay, and I can clearly see one level of resistance here. Okay, the reason is, see, the price went came to this level and immediately it gave a red candle. Okay, and then it tried to break that level again and again it came down, and here it almost came close but could not touch that level and came down, and finally it was broken and then it turned into a support. So the price is not going down from here. So this will be the place where you can add some more units to your portfolio or directly make an entry in the stock itself. Okay, the level is 323. Okay, so this is for ITC. Now we'll move to our next example, that is JSW Steel. Okay, so before we proceed, I request all of you to please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying the video and finding value in this. Okay, Now let's go to our topic. So this is JSW Steel. So let me scroll all the way back. Okay. So again we'll use the same formula. We are seeing after it was listed here, it immediately started going down. So we'll do the same thing. We'll draw one level of resistance here. We'll first draw one line. Okay. And you can clearly see this line. The price tried to break that line once more, but it could not. But finally, it was broken, and you can see this red candle. So obviously, in weekly, it tested that line and then sharply went up. Okay, it was a big move. Then again, it came down. Okay, so obviously, there is another level where you can draw one more line. This is the one. This is support. Okay, and again, I can clearly see resistance here. This is a pretty easy one. Okay, you can see the touches here, again here, and here, and finally it was broken. Okay, and along with that you can draw some more level of support resistance line here. I can see one here. And where are the touches? Again here, 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 and here. So you need at least two touch to make it valid, but this has more than four. It has five actually. Okay, and the price kept going up from here. So again, always start with the monthly and then go to weekly time frame. Okay. So now we'll draw one more here. I can clearly see one here, but it has less number of touches, but that is okay. So this thing you will get, you will find it easy once you practice it a lot. Okay, you just have to open any chart you want, go to monthly or weekly time frame, but I would suggest monthly, and start seeing where the price is acting both as support and resistance, like you can see here. Okay, so this was the resistance long back in 2015, and then it acted as a support late in 2020 in the COVID crash. Okay, this is the COVID crash. So the support resistance levels actually stay valid for a very long time, even for the entire lifespan of the stock if it is going sideways. Okay, so this marking this level is very important. Okay, so now we'll go to our next stock, that is Bharti Airtel. So this will be interesting because it is mostly a sideways stock. First of all, let me clear all the lines, existing lines, so that it will be easy. Okay, so we will focus on this level only. Okay, so where is the level of support and resistance? So first of all, what you can do is hover your mouse here like this, and I can clearly see that this is acting as a level of resistance multiple times. Okay, and then let me first draw all the lines, then I will explain which one has more significance over the other. Okay, I will draw one more line here. I can clearly see one more line here. Okay, one more here. So as this has been going sideways, so there are multiple level of support and resistance. So this makes it very critical. But if you are a trader, swing trader, positional trader, you won't find much difficulties because you will trade in the shorter time frame like daily or 4 hour, 2 hour. For that, you can go to the shorter time frames from monthly, like weekly or daily. Okay, but drawing the support resistance line in monthly time frame is extremely important. Okay. So now let me just show you the level. For this line here, let's mark the touches here, here. This was broken here, but again there are many touches here. And these two can also be counted because we discussed that it is a zone, not a line. Again here, so many. So this is obviously a valid one. Now coming to this one, we are seeing reaction here, again here, here, okay. Then here again here. So many. This is also a valid one. Now coming to this one, so this is a valid one. So you can, let's start from this side. You can see the touches here. Again nicely it was pushed back, the price was pushed back from here, then again here once again, and one more here also, and finally it acted as support here. So this is also a valid one. And coming to the top one, you can see here, again here. Okay, only two, and these two lines passed through it, and this can also be considered because it is at the top here only. Okay, so this is also a valid one. So Bharti Airtel is done. I hope you are getting the point how we draw it. And now let's go to our next example, that will be GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. Okay, again this is the monthly time frame. First of all, let me draw some lines. You can hover your mouse like this and see where you are getting multiple touches. So I can clearly see one beautiful level of support here and one nice level of resistance here as well. Then one second. Yes, so then I can see one more here. Okay, and some minor ones here. Okay, so the minor ones, what I will do is draw in some other color. Okay, let's say I will draw in blue. Okay, and where else? Okay, this should be enough. So now let's do the analysis. So we can see that this bottom line acted as a resistance here, then again acted as support here, again support here, again support here. This is the COVID crash, and so this is a valid one. And for this blue line, you can see one touch here, again some reaction here and some reaction here. So this is a minor one. Okay, and the major one, this one again one touch here, 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 okay, and here. So this is also a valid one. So all three are valid ones. So I hope you are getting the point how you are going to draw. So whenever you want to add stocks to your portfolio or add quantities of one stock which you already hold, then always first mark this line, okay, support line, and make entries only when the price comes close to this area. It does not have to touch. Let's say the price here is 50, you can enter at 50, 55, 57. Okay, whenever it touch, it will, you can add the units. Okay, now we are going to look at our bonus share, that is Paras Defense. The reason I have chosen that one is because it is a new stock. Okay, and in monthly time frame you will not see any not much action. Okay, so this is the stock. As we have seen before, the price came to a high of this one and kept dropping after that. So we will draw one line here. Okay, and we can see at the bottom it is showing some form of again support. Okay, so those who are interested and you have strong conviction about this company and you want to invest, then you can obviously invest right now. Okay, this is one bonus information for you. You can add units here, but this is not the guarantee that it will hold this level. Okay, it can show some action like this and go down from here, but you are buying at an area of value, so it is fine. You are following the rules properly. Okay, and if it starts going upward from here, then it's a good thing. Okay, and if it takes the the support of any moving average, let's say 30 period, then this will be a perfect entry point. You can use it for swing trading, like entry at 685 and exit at the next high, that is somewhere around 1200. Or you want to hold it for longer, you can hold it. Okay, just seeing the price action. So that is how we draw the support resistance levels. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you found this video valuable, and also let me know in the comment section below on what topic you want me to make the next video. Okay, I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.